Imagine a world where creatures exchange complex messages over vast distances without uttering a sound. For elephants, this is a daily reality. Their communication is a symphony of low-frequency rumbles, seismic vibrations, and intricate gestures that have fascinated scientists for decades. In this video, we'll explore 10 mind-blowing facts about how elephants communicate, each one backed by scientific research. 1. Elephants use infrasound to communicate. Across vast distances, elephants produce infrasonic sounds, low-frequency rumbles that humans can't hear. These rumbles, which can travel up to 10 kilometers, are essential for long-distance communication. According to research by Dr. Katharine Payne, published in Science, these sounds are unique to each elephant, akin to vocal fingerprints. They serve as a way to coordinate herd movements, alert others to danger, and even signal reproductive readiness. Interestingly, infrasound is not just loud, it's layered with multiple frequencies that allow elephants to convey different types of information simultaneously. 2. Seismic communication, talking through the ground. Elephants transmit seismic signals by stomping their feet or vocalizing in a way that sends vibrations through the ground. These signals can travel farther than airborne sounds, offering an alternative channel of communication. Dr. Caitlin O'Connell, in her work published in the Journal of Experimental Biology, demonstrated how elephants detect these vibrations through Pacinian corpuscles in their feet and trunks. This sensitivity allows them to listen to the ground for distant messages. This method is crucial in dry, open savannas, where sound waves dissipate quickly in the air, enabling elephants to warn each other of threats or locate distant waterholes. 3. Trunk movements as a language. An elephant's trunk is a multi-purpose tool capable of expressing emotions, intentions, and social bonds. For example, a raised trunk can signal curiosity or danger, while touching trunks often reflects greeting or reconciliation. A 2020 study in animal behavior found that elephants use trunk gestures in a variety of social contexts, from playful interactions to conflict resolution. Beyond gestures, their trunks are also sensory organs, allowing them to detect chemical signals in the air, like the scent of a predator or a receptive mate, further enhancing their communication abilities. 4. Ear flapping. More than cooling off. While ear flapping is commonly associated with temperature regulation, it also plays a vital role in communication. Elephants may flap their ears aggressively to display dominance or to amplify their vocalizations. Research from the Proceedings of the Royal Society B revealed that the intensity and speed of ear flapping can convey different emotional states, from irritation to excitement. Additionally, the large surface area of their ears acts like a satellite dish, helping to channel and amplify sounds, making their calls more effective over long distances. 5. Mourning rituals. A silent expression of grief. Elephants are among the few animals known to exhibit mourning behaviors. When a herd member dies, they gather around the body, touching it with their trunks and sometimes standing vigil for days. Dr. Joyce Poole's observations, published in Nature, highlight how elephants revisit the bones of deceased relatives, often stroking them gently, suggesting not just memory but a deep emotional response. Mourning also extends to vocal expressions, as herds emit low-frequency rumbles that are thought to signal loss or distress to nearby groups. 6. Vocal imitation. Mimicking sounds for social bonding. Elephants can mimic sounds including human speech, vehicle noises, and even the calls of other animals. This ability to imitate demonstrates their advanced auditory and cognitive skills. Dr. Angela Stuger-Horwath, in Nature Communications, documented an elephant named Koshik who mimicked Korean words, showing that elephants may use imitation to foster bonds with humans or other elephants. Vocal imitation is believed to help elephants integrate into new social groups, as they adapt their vocalizations to match those of their peers. 7. Role of matriarchs in communication. The matriarch, typically the oldest and most experienced female, is the cornerstone of elephant communication. She leads the herd, interprets distant calls, and makes critical decisions during times of stress or scarcity. Research in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences found that matriarchs are better than younger elephants at recognizing the voices of other herds, helping to avoid unnecessary conflicts. Her knowledge, gained over decades, includes remembering migration routes and water sources, which she communicates through specific vocalizations and body movements. 8. Cross-species communication. Elephants can interpret and respond to the alarm calls of other species, such as birds or antelopes, showcasing their ability to adapt to shared ecosystems. According to a study in Biology Letters, elephants adjust their behavior based on the urgency of these calls, such as moving toward a water source or away from a predator's presence. This skill not only aids their survival, but also highlights the interconnectedness of savanna ecosystems, where multiple species rely on shared cues. 9. Body language as a universal signal. Elephants use a rich repertoire of body language to express emotions and intentions. For example, a raised head and stiff tail signal alertness, while a relaxed posture indicates calmness. A study in ethology noted that body language is especially critical in dense forests where visual and auditory communication can be challenging. Tail swishing, ear movements, and even the way they position their legs all convey nuanced messages, helping maintain herd cohesion and social harmony. 10. Elephants remember voices for decades. Elephants have an extraordinary ability to recognize and remember voices even after years of separation. This skill helps maintain social bonds and ensures effective communication within and between herds. Dr. Karen McComb's research, published in Proceedings of the Royal Society B, found that elephants respond more positively to familiar calls, demonstrating their deep memory capabilities. This recognition extends to human voices as well, as elephants can distinguish between friendly and hostile tones, allowing them to adapt their behavior accordingly. The secret language of elephants reveals a complex and intelligent species whose communication goes far beyond what we can hear or see. From infrasonic rumbles to seismic vibrations and intricate gestures, their methods reflect a deep social and emotional connection within their herds. If you found these insights into elephant communication fascinating, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more captivating animal discoveries. Let us know in the comments which fact amazed you the most, and stay tuned for more journeys into the wonders of the animal kingdom.